let's talk about it. So here's how you can run the site. This is GoSwirlBottle.com. This seems to be a BlendJet competitor. Seems very similar to BlendJet. Let's see what's happening. So this person says that they've been seeing a lot of traffic, but it only comes to their homepage. Okay. Interesting. I hope they have like Hotjar or some kind of tool to see what the people are actually doing on this homepage. But judging by what I can understand from this, if you look at this long enough, it's basically a BlendJet, right? They have two main pages, home and product page, which is a wise choice. So the hero section is way too big, and it's not that effective. I don't really get a good view of the bottle. It's too big. I have to scroll to see the whole product, which is never good. And the text is not really put in a good place. So there's that. The bottle should be easily visible. It shouldn't have a square box blocking the bottle. This is a compact here for additional hassles. So it looks like the text here is not bad, but it's just a bit too long. Moving forward, alright, now I can see it. This role model, a more effective blender experience. It's actually supposed to be a bottle that's a blender as well. That's good. Okay. Put a finger down if this would be a good piece of content if you wanted to make that. But protein, fruits not mixed well. So it's basically a checklist of problems that you're willing to solve. Right? And instead of are all your fingers down, it should probably be is one of them down. That would be a good way to start it. So we have a what is it checklist. Okay. How to use step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. What our customers say. Review section. It's a good thing. So the overall idea of the site is pretty good. They have the sections down. They're making the right moves initially, which are all good things. And they're talking about what it's good for. Okay, good stuff. So this site actually is not that bad. I've seen many worse than this. Portable, rechargeable, light, functional phone, easy to clean. Okay, it's not terrible. Now, what's wrong with this site? Again, the hero section is pretty ineffective. It's way too big. The text blocks the bottle. I can't really get a good view of it. It doesn't look premium. The bottle's used at this point. It just doesn't look premium. It doesn't look like it's planned out. It looks like someone just threw this here and left it there. The second section, a more effective blender experience. This is a pretty good section. I'm not against the way the site's built. It's just the price is not here, right? Which is fine, but it could be good or bad. You should test that for sure. Test having the price on the site, on the homepage, because people are not making it past the home page, they're not pressing the shop button. It could likely be because they don't want it enough. You haven't created enough demand in the person to actually want to figure out what the product is. That's the first thing. The second thing is it could also be because there is no price here, so they're not really willing to find out what that price is, because wherever you go to a home page of a product, you can pretty much figure out the price. You can usually see what the price is, or at least have an idea. In this, you kind of can't. It's just the price is just not here. So test having the price on the page versus not. And I think you're running a lot of traffic ads. Run conversion ads instead, because traffic ads will just aim to get traffic to your site. So they're not going to get you better traffic than those who just click on links. What this means is when you get a link click, the ad system considers that a victory, right? And it stops tracking, it stops optimizing beyond that. What you want is to have a conversion campaign where if someone clicks, the campaign still seeks to optimize and seek out people who are going to actually purchase or make steps towards that, and then it optimizes based on the best traffic that makes the purchase, right? So my point is, if it doesn't mean you'll never get a sale if you run traffic ads, but it does mean that the traffic will typically never really get better than the traffic that just clicks on the link. So that is what you want to fix. Use conversions or sales. Run a test here with the price on the site versus the price not on the site. If you can, put a shop section on the site, which means just put down a section just like this with the product display here and everything. Put this section on this site, perhaps somewhere like right here between the how-to section and the what is the bottle section. Alright, give people a chance to buy on the page you're looking at, because also a lot of your traffic is not going to view more than one page. They're going to go through your whole site. They're going to go through 3, 4, 5 pages. So give them a chance to purchase on the page you're looking at. It's always important. So try those 2 tests. That should help improve things for you, and hopefully it does. If it doesn't, work on your product information, work on your your USP, and really get people to want this product. Because if that isn't the issue, it could be the copy. People just don't know what this is, and because they don't know really what it is, then they don't have enough desire to go and actually purchase. What else you can do here is essentially show them the product in use. Maybe have a little GIF showing it, the cover unscrewing with someone drinking out of it, that kind of thing. So they see, oh, it's a blender that you can actually drink from. But it's about the same price as a blend jet, which is currently selling like hotcakes. So it's not like people don't want these things. It's just that you're presenting it suboptimally. Work on that.